Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that keeps your wallet happy and your home smarter. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, and boy, do we have a showdown for you. In the left corner, we've got the eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum Self-Empty Station, and in the right corner, the ECOVACS T30S. Get ready for a battle of the bots that will suck, in the best way possible. First up, let's talk about eufy X8 Pro. This bad boy is priced at $649. And on the other hand, we have the ECOVACS T30S, weighing in at a hefty $999. Now, let's see what makes these robo-cleaners tick. All right, suction power. eufy X8 Pro brings 8,000 pascals of twin-turbine suction. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room. But wait, Dbot T30S comes in with a monstrous 11,000 pascals suction power. That's right, folks, this thing could probably vacuum up your cat if it's not careful. So if you're looking for sheer power and want to vacuum up the entire neighborhood, Dbot's got your back. Next up, let's talk about anti-tangle tech. eufy X8 Pro has a tangle-free roller brush. It's like having a tiny hairdresser inside your vacuum, snipping away at those pesky tangles. But Dbot T30S isn't messing around either. It's got zero-tangle technology, making it a tangle-free zone. So if you're tired of performing surgery on your vacuum, Dbot might just be your new best friend. When it comes to navigating your home, eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation to map out your place like a robot cartographer. It's got customizable AI Map 2.0, so you can set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. You can basically tell it, "Stay out of my room, I'm watching Netflix." Dbot T30S, however, uses TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. It's like having a mini Tesla in your home. It avoids obstacles and maps your place faster than you can say, "Clean my house." Plus, it's got True Edge technology to clean those pesky corners with surgical precision. Sorry, spiders, your corner webs are toast. Now, let's talk about how lazy you can be. eufy X8 Pro has a 45-day hands-free cleaning system. Its dustbin gets automatically emptied into a 2.5L station. So for 45 days, you can forget it even exists. Dbot T30S takes it up a notch with its all-in-one OMNI station. It self-empties, auto-refills, washes mops with hot water, and even dries them with hot air. It's like having a robot butler that's also a neat freak. eufy X8 Pro is smart, but Dbot T30S is like having a personal assistant. You can control it with voice commands, your Apple Watch, smartphone widgets, and even Dynamic Island. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Just shout, "OKYIKO," and watch it spring into action. Oh, and Alexa's invited to the party too! eufy X8 Pro's battery life is decent, but Dbot T30S offers up to 180 minutes of runtime and charges 40% faster. It's like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. Reviewers have had a lot to say about both of these robot vacuums. eufy X8 Pro is praised for its strong suction power, easy setup, and efficient cleaning patterns, although some users have reported battery issues after several months. On the other hand, ECOVACS Dbot T30S has been lauded for its powerful cleaning capabilities, ease of use, and advanced features like self-emptying and intelligent navigation. It's a bit pricier, but many find the extra cost worth it for the added convenience and performance. So there you have it, folks. If you're balling on a budget and want a solid performer, eufy X8 Pro might be your new best friend. But if you're ready to splurge and want a vacuum that practically does your taxes, the ECOVACS T30S is the way to go. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic showdowns, and comment below which one you'd pick. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description. See ya!